In this video lecture, we're going to look at arrays in C programming language. Okay, so in C programming, we have what is called arrays, and these arrays help us to be able to run operations several times and helps us to save memories. So if you want to save your memory, you must know about arrays. So this have in what is called index, and the very first index is called index 0 and not 1. So you can have arrays of numbers. It starts from 0 and then it moves upwards. Let's go ahead and create a simple program that will help us to know about arrays. Okay, let's go ahead and declare some variables. I'm going to say int x, then int y, plus semicolon and not a comma. Then let's declare int z, and if you want to use an array, you use bracket. Let's say, let's this print from 0 to 5. So go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. So this block here is for array. And this starts from 0 to 5. Okay? Now let's go ahead and create a simple code that will write a simple program that will help us to print out from 0 to 5. So I'm going to use a for loop here. I'm going to say for x equal to 0 plus semicolon and x less than 5 plus semicolon and x increment. So let this be x less than or equal to 5. So let's go ahead and say z. So let z hold the value of x starting from 0 equal to, let that be, say x plus, let's say x plus 10, or a semicolon, and let's go ahead and create another for loop. And this is going to take y equal to 0 per semicolon and y less than or equal to 5 per semicolon and y increment. Now, want to print out these values, so go ahead and say print f, say index, so index of the array by percentage d, so I put that in the block. Okay, so percentage d is equal to, this is going to print out the numbers from 10, 11, 12 to 15. That's where it's going to stop. It's going to add one of them. Go ahead and put percentage d and let us move to the next line. So put a comma right here and put y, comma, and z with the value of y. So place semicolon at the end. Now, let me go ahead and explain what we are going to do. So I want to print the index starting from 0. Okay? So we want to print this starting from 0, and as a human being, you start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. But machine starts counting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for every index, the very first thing you have is 0 before it starts counting 1. Let's go ahead and run this code and check this R. Run this code. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I increase this. So we can see that this ends at this start from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is 5 instead of 15. So let's go ahead and correct that before I close out. So for index 0, it starts from index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So this is how it moves. So let's go ahead and make that to be 15. And for you to do that, change the index number to be from 0 to 6. Alright, go ahead and run this. And check it out. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we change that from 5 to 6. And you can see that we have 6 of these right here. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 6 in number. And this increment started from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So when you talk about index or arrays, when you talk about arrays, you're also talking about index at the same time because we are monitoring the space and it helps us to be able to save memory. Okay, so whenever I want to save your memory, you go ahead and we use arrays. So arrays will help you to save memories a lot in C programming language and other programming languages as well. So go ahead and put this down, and as we move in, we're going to look more into arrays in this class, and you're going to learn more about this and how to be able to save memory in C programming language. So thank you so much, and if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.